found the note in my locker. My hands shook as I opened it. Inside were just 3 words: "You will fail." I looked around the hallway. Students were laughing and talking in groups. Some looked at me and whispered. One girl laughed and pointed at me. I knew the note was from them, the kids who always made fun of me, the ones who called me dumb behind my back. They didn't know how hard I tried. They only saw my bad grades, but they knew my secret. They knew I was failing. My name is Kayla. I'm 17 years old. I go to Lincoln High School, but I hate school. I hate everything about it. I can't read well. Numbers don't make sense to me. When teachers talk, the words sound like noise. Other students think I'm stupid. Maybe they're right. My grades are terrible. I have F's in math, science, and English. My parents are angry all the time. They say I don't try hard enough. They say I'm lazy. But I do try. I study for hours. I read the same page 10 times. Nothing sticks in my brain. The words jump around on the page. The numbers laugh at me. I want to drop out of school. I want to run away. I want to disappear. The bell rings. I have to go to English class. This is my worst class. Mrs. Johnson always calls on me to read. When I read out loud, I sound like a little kid. The other students giggle. I walk slowly to class. Maybe I should just skip it. Maybe I should go home. But something stops me. I don't know what it is. My feet keep walking to room 204. I open the door. The classroom looks different. There's a new teacher at the front. She's young and has kind eyes. She's writing her name on the board. Ms. Rivera, she writes in neat letters.
Good morning, class.
She says,
I'm your new English teacher. Mrs. Johnson had to leave for family reasons.
My heart beats a little faster. Maybe this is good news. Maybe Miss Rivera won't know I'm the stupid kid.
Today we're going to do something different.
Miss Rivera says,
We're going to talk about stories. Everyone has a story. Everyone has something important to say.
She looks around the room. Her eyes stop on me.
You,
She says, pointing at me.
what's your name?
Kayla, I whisper.
Kayla, tell me about a time when you felt brave.
My face gets hot. Everyone is looking at me. I don't have any brave stories. I'm not brave. I'm scared of everything. I don't know, I say.
That's okay.
Miss Rivera says.
Think about it. Even small things can be brave. Coming to school can be brave. Trying can be brave.
The class continues. Miss Rivera doesn't make anyone read out loud. She tells us stories instead. She talks about books like they're friends. She makes reading sound fun. After class, I pack my books slowly. I don't want to leave.
Kayla,
Miss Rivera calls.
can you stay for a minute?
My stomach drops. Here it comes. She's going to tell me I'm behind. She's going to say I need help. I walk to her desk. She's smiling.
I noticed something today.
She says,
When I told stories, you were really listening. Your eyes were bright. You love stories, don't you?
I nod. It's true. I do love stories. I just can't read them.
I have an idea.
Miss Rivera says.
What if we meet after school sometimes, just to talk about books and stories? Would you like that?
I can't believe it. A teacher wants to spend extra time with me. Not to punish me, not to fix me, just to talk. Yes, I say. I would like that. The next day, I stay after school. Miss Rivera's classroom is quiet and peaceful. She has a box of books on her desk.
Pick one,
She says. I look at the books. They all look too hard. I can't read very well, I admit. My face burns with shame,
That's okay.
Miss Rivera says.
Reading isn't the only way to enjoy stories. Let me read to you.
She picks up a book about a girl who can't learn like other kids. As Miss Rivera reads, I close my eyes and listen. The story is beautiful. The girl in the book sounds like me,
This girl has dyslexia.
Miss Rivera explains.
Her brain works differently. She's not stupid. She's just different.
My heart stops. Dyslexia?
Yes, I think you might have it too. That's why reading is hard for you. But Kayla, having dyslexia doesn't mean you can't learn. It just means you learn differently.
For the first time in my life, I have hope. Maybe I'm not stupid. Maybe my brain just works in a different way. Miss Rivera and I meet every day after school. She teaches me new ways to learn. She shows me tools that help with reading. She never gets angry when I make mistakes. Slowly, things get better. My grades start to improve. I begin to believe in myself. But then something happens that changes everything. One day, I arrive early for our meeting. Miss Rivera isn't in the classroom yet. I see her bag on the desk. It's open. Inside is a folder with my name on it. I know I shouldn't look, but I can't help it. I open the folder. Inside are letters. Letters from the school principal. Letters from other teachers. They all say the same thing. They want Miss Rivera to stop wasting time on me. They say I'm hopeless. They say she should focus on students who can actually learn. At the bottom of the folder is a letter Miss Rivera wrote back. It says, Kayla is the smartest student I've ever taught. She just needs someone to believe in her. I will never give up on her. Tears fill my eyes. Miss Rivera has been fighting for me. She's been protecting me. All this time, she's believed in me when nobody else did. I hear footsteps in the hallway. I quickly snap a photo with my phone, then close the folder and sit down. Miss Rivera walks in, smiling.
Hi, Kayla. Ready to read?
Miss Rivera, I say, thank you
For what?
for believing in me, even when nobody else did. Her eyes get soft.
Kayla, you never needed me to believe in you. You just needed to believe in yourself.
That was 3 years ago. Today, I'm in college. I study to be a teacher. I want to help kids like me. Kids who think they're stupid. Kids who just need someone to believe in them. I still have the photo I took of Miss Rivera's letter, the one where she said I was smart. I keep it saved on my phone. When things get hard, I read it. It reminds me that I can do anything. Sometimes the best teachers don't just teach you facts. They teach you to believe in yourself. Miss Rivera gave me the greatest gift of all. She gave me hope. And now I want to give that same gift to other kids. Kids who think they can't learn. Kids who think they're not smart enough. I want to be the teacher who believes in them, just like Miss Rivera believed in me. If you've ever felt like no one believed in you, you're not alone. Share your story in the comments and let's support each other. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this.